Welcome to the lesson on tenses. Tenses tell us about the time of an action. Rachel and John are good friends. What does the word are mean in this sentence? It means that Rachel and John are always good friends. Why did we say are and not is? We said are because we are talking about two people here, Rachel and John. This is a good book. What does the word is mean in this sentence? It means that the book is always good. Why do we say is and not are? We said is because we are talking about one book here. The words is and are used to show the simple present tense. When do we use the simple present tense? We use the simple present tense when we are talking about an action that happens always or regularly. Some more examples of sentences in the simple present tense are: I go to school. Father reads the newspaper. Mother cooks dinner. My sister plays with my brother. Let us look at some more sentences. The ice cube is melting. The phone is ringing. She is talking on the phone. When do the actions in these sentences take place? The ice cube is melting. The ice cube is melting now. The action takes place at this moment. The phone is ringing. The phone is ringing now. The action takes place at this moment. She is talking on the phone. She is talking on the phone now. The action takes place at this moment. All these sentences use the present continuous tense. We use the present continuous tense to show what we are doing at this moment. Now look at these sentences. I went to the zoo yesterday. My cousin came to visit me last month. He played tennis. When do the actions in these sentences take place? I went to the zoo yesterday. When did I go to the zoo? Yesterday. The sentence tells us about the time of the action and the time is in the past. My cousin came to visit me last month. When did my cousin come to visit me? Last month. The sentence tells us about the time of the action and the time is in the past. He played tennis. When did he play tennis? Although this sentence does not tell us the exact time of the action, the word played tells us that the time is in the past. All these sentences are in the simple past tense. We use the simple past tense to talk or write about actions that took place in the past. Let us see how well we have learned tenses with a simple exercise. Pick out the sentence that is in the simple present tense. I came to the station 2 days ago. Is this sentence in the simple present tense? No. The word came tells us that the action happened in the past. I come to the station every day. Is this sentence in the simple present tense? Yes. The word come tells us that the action happens every day. This means that the sentence is in the simple present tense. I am coming to the station now. Is this sentence in the simple present tense? No. The words am coming tell us that the action is happening now. Now pick out the sentence that is in the present continuous tense. Mother sends me presents. Mother sent me a present. Mother is sending me a present. The sentence, Mother is sending me a present, is in the present continuous tense. The words is sending tell us that the action is happening now. Now pick out the sentence that is in the simple past tense. He ate a healthy breakfast. He eats a healthy breakfast. He is eating a healthy breakfast. The sentence, he ate a healthy breakfast, is in the simple past tense. The word ate tells us that the action happened in the past. Now we know that some words tell us that the sentence is in the simple present tense, and some other words tell us that the sentence is in the simple past tense. But how do we turn the simple present tense into the simple past tense? Let us find out. We can turn most verbs to the past tense by adding ed. For example, I work, I worked. I talk, I talked. I jump, I jumped. But some verbs change to the past tense in a different way. When they change to the past tense, the words change altogether. For example, I drink, I drank. I run, I ran. I write, I wrote. I go, I went. I make, I made. I sleep, I slept. I sit, I sat. A verb can change from the simple present tense to both the simple past tense and the present continuous tense by doubling the consonant at the end of the word. For example, I hop onto the bus. I hopped onto the bus. I hop onto the bus. I am hopping onto the bus. I clap, I clapped. I clap, I am clapping. I plan a vacation. I planned a vacation. I plan a vacation. I am planning a vacation. Let us check how well we have learned tenses with this exercise. Change the following sentences into the simple past tense. I am watching television. What will this sentence be in the simple past tense? I watched television. She writes to me regularly. What will this sentence be in the simple past tense? She wrote to me regularly. I am clapping my hands. What will this sentence be in the simple past tense? I clapped my hands. The ship sails across the sea. What will this sentence be in the simple past tense? The ship sailed across the sea.